So hi everybody and welcome back. This is a Blender tutorial series for absolute beginners. I'm an absolute beginner as well, and we are creating in this tutorial series step by step assets, very basic assets, and to learn the interface a little bit. And in this tutorial we are just creating a simple arrow which we want to use in Unreal Engine 5. And let's get started. First of all, we have deleted the camera. Selected, deleted, selected, deleted, perfect. And we don't need the cube as well, delete this as well. Then Shift A, we open up our add menu, we add, go to mesh and add cone. Then we press 1, and then we press on our numpad, and then we press R to rotate. And this is not a perfect rotation, that's why we press N on our keyboard and go to this rotation section Y and write 180 because I need it straight ahead. And then we go here a little bit down. We don't need this again. We press again N to hide it. And then let's say we make the arrow till here. What we are going to do is now press Tab to switch to edit mode. We select to face and we are going to select the top face. Very good. We press 1 again and we press A to extrude. We extrude only a little bit here. Then we press click it and press S afterwards and zoom in. And we zoom in till we think this is a very good middle tile and middle part. I think that's good. And then we press 1 again. Then we extrude on the ZX. That's good, perfect. That looks like an arrow, right? And then we press again 1. We go here down a little bit. We zoom in. Zoom in. Or there is a come. I think this one is faster when we press it on our numpad. Comma sign, I think, or something like that. And then when we are here, we are extrude a little bit on the ZX. And here, actually, yes, we extrude a little bit on the ZX, like so. And here's the front view again. And then we select this on top again and press S for scale. Yes, I think I can't see this, so back 1 again. Control Z because it was not good. So let's go here and we want scale this. Okay, I scale this. I think I should extrude this more because it was not good. So what we can do to go back is Control Z and it revert 1 step, and if you press this more times it reverts more steps. So that's good. And now we press again 1 on our numpad, extrude, but this time a little bit more, like so. And yeah, that will work. And then press S for scale, and then we make this one. Is this good? Yeah, we watch this. Yes, that's okay. Perfect. Perfect. We made an arrow, right? This is a simple low poly arrow, exactly that what I wanted to make in this video. But we make in this video 1 step further than the last video, and that is we add here a material, at least this. So very simple basic material. How we go at this, we can do this. We press again a tab. We are back in our object mode, but I think it works also in edit mode. Then we go here on the right side. Here are many options. This sign is a material sign, and we click on material, and then we have here the option. We click on new, and we can let all on defaults at start. I don't know it anyway, but the only one which we are interested in is base color, and we click on this place here and we can select the color which we want. In this case I'm going selecting blue. So, and after I selected blue, this is not blue. So what's the problem here? Here on top we have to change the mode from viewport shade, from this one solid to material preview. And if you click this one, then you see how it looks like later. This is just a preview, and I think I use that. That's okay. And then what we do is now go in File, we save that as exactly save as, and we go to, no, I save it in general, I think. Just save it, and perhaps not, because I won't go on. Save this if you need it, and then I go to export, and I hope I make no mistakes. Important, this one must be selected. Then we go to export FBX and set this fast up again. It's not a big deal. Select object, and here we just select the mesh. This is the selected object. Perfect. Then we go here to transform. Z is forward, no, X is forward, this one, and X is forward and Z is up in Unreal, and this one we don't make. And geometry, we need to set smoothing to face. That's all nice, and that was it. I think this back animation we don't need, and armature we don't need as well. And then the export destination, we go on documents on my Unreal Engine project, and the project in which I want to export it, it's Lyra Starter Game, and here we have select the content, definitely the folder content, that's very important. And I press export, I switch to Unreal, and a pop-up comes. I press import, I deselect all on top because all should be fine. Is all fine, I think, so far. Yes, and if not, it will give me an error. And here I deselect all as well. And here, create new material. No, do not create material. Oh wait, create new material, create me. Or let me see. Create new material. Should we create a new material? Let's create a material. Let's see what material it is. It should be this blue material, right? We set create material, new material, okay, and import. So then we go to the content. Here's the import. Let's see. We open up our content row, and here we have it. Here's the material which is created. It was blue, perfect. Here's our arrow, and let's test it right away. Open this one more time up. Go to the scene. Drop it in our scene. This arrow is big. I have still the scaling problem. I have to check this one more time. Perhaps this is Blender use meter, right? And Unreal use centimeter. Perhaps I have to check this scaling later on. But I think this is not a big deal because we can scale it here down to, we go on select the object here on scale, lock this, and I type in, let's say 0.2, and we have a little arrow here. And what I'm doing with this arrow is now, we already imported this monkey statues, or what this is. And let's do here, add this here as well as our next object. What we learned so far, and this one is just stand it in. Let's make a funny thing. Let's scale this monkey a little bit down. Yes, and and let's point this arrow on his head. Ding ding ding. Let's see. Oh no, this one a little bit there. Dang. We make funny things with this, and that's why we learned it, so we can use that while we're creating. Oh, let's go on. Yeah. Bam. Dang, this looks funny. Let's start and test this. Let me see what happens. Okay, here's my okay, it should be in front a little bit more. This one. Let's stop this. Let me go here. We'll place this a little bit in front. And I think I could rotate this a little. Well, okay, so and then a little bit down, I think. So anyhow, so that's not very important now. This is just styling. So, and we see the monkey with an arrow pointing on his thing. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. We have a use case. We will try find later more useful use cases, but this one is just more artist, and that was it. And bye.